Hey, it's Christy from Christy Planning Out. It is December 23rd, and we are down to the last few days. And we're opening package day 23. And let's get into it without any delay. We have the awesome thestickerparty.com. Stickerparty.com has some really nice things. I've bought from them before, and they always deliver. So let's get this out of this package. And they're made in Canada as well, just a FYI. So let's get started with this because I think it's going to take me a second. We have the journaling card, and it's the sticker party, thestickerparty.com, and it's a pretty rainbow background. And we have the gardening deco, so lemon and trees. This is right up my alley. The whole reason why we moved to Texas to start growing our own food and having our own homestead. So these are right in line with some of the things that we have on the radar for 2026. And then we have a journaling kit. It's the gardening journal kit. You have the days of the week, and you have checklists and headers. That is really nice in the bold colors. And then we have some additional grit paper and stickers to use in your journaling spreads. That is really nice. Let's see what's been bubble wrapped here. Okay, so we have oh a, a little charm, and it's so cute and so dainty. Oh my goodness, a charm to hang off your planters. That is really pretty. That's really nice. So I'm gonna stick this back in this bag. It took way longer to get out than it will be to get back in, but this is very cute. I appreciate you once again for hanging out with me and hanging in there and coming back every day to take a look at what I got in my collab event box this year, 2025. We're narrowing down. I'm so proud of myself. This is the first time I've been able to make it through this far to plan this 30 plan this. And so I will talk to you tomorrow.